What's going on, everybody? Bitcoin Chris checking in, and let's jump into the Bitcoin price. All right, we're going to start at the 12 hours. So at the 12-hour time frame, we see a little bit of an upward momentum. So hopefully we can continue to see some green. We do have a lot of buy volume over the last 12 hours, which is great. And then right now we are sitting at 16,685. Let's jump down to the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart looks like we have some downward momentum, but it's not red. So you see how it turns red here? This is showing strength in that momentum. So even though we do have momentum going down and is not red yet, hopefully it does not turn red, because if it does, then we're going to have a nice sell-off. But it's looking like we're pumping. So right now on the 4-hour chart looks pretty good. I have on order block, so we got a lot of sellers between this 16.7 and 16.9 price point. So I do see that. So let's jump on down to the 1-hour chart. So down on the 1-hour chart, we do got some positive momentum. Looking like it could do a little bit of this over here, a little choppy, but it's still upward. So we'll see how these next few hours go. And let's continue. All right, volume looks good. We got some selling volume over the last 2 hours, so we'll see how that continues. Great buying opportunity at these levels. I remember back in the day when Bitcoin was at 16,000, and we're right back there again. And I don't think we'll be here too much longer. So let's jump down to the 30-minute chart. And on the 30-minute chart, we do have some upward momentum as well. Looking like we're flattened out. And let's see. Volume is looking pretty good. The last 30 minutes is good. Over the last hour, we got some selling pressure there. So let's see what else we can come to a conclusion. We do have a nice resistance level at this $16,700 level, and we have a lot of buyers in this 16.5 to 16.4, which brings me back to my tweet, which I did tweet out the other day. So the other day I did mention that, here it is, looks like a great buying opportunity. That was yesterday, or a day ago, that I posted this, because we got that red X and we have some downward momentum. Not only that, on order blocks, it clearly showed that a lot of people have buys set up at 16.6 to 16.4, and guess what happened? Just that, it was right on point. All right, so 16.6 to 16.4, we came down right to 16.6 to 16.4, and then we bounced. So we have a lot of buyers in that area, and I did tweet that. So make sure you follow me on Twitter. So make sure you do follow me on Twitter, and I'll make sure to follow back. I will be making a walkthrough on how to withdraw your Bitcoin from exchanges, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Not only that, wanted to go over the cycles here. A lot of people think that it's game over for Bitcoin. There's truly sleep. So we'll see how this ends, but clearly this is not game over. Another big deal is that the U.S. government holds 214,000 Bitcoin, more than 1% of Bitcoin supply. So if the U.S. government owns this much Bitcoin, then they're in a pretty good position. And don't forget that other governments around the world and countries are mining Bitcoin as well. Why would they be mining Bitcoin if they didn't know something is up? So again, we do have, we do have a lot of these special entities, or these special corporations that are supposed to be experts in the industry, and they all invested in the shitcoin, which is FTX or FTT, and now they're pretty much affected by the collapse. So these people are speaking at conferences. They're supposed to be experts, and they're over here investing in the shitcoins made out of thin air. So again, Bitcoin has no heroes. So please don't listen to these people. Be independent, become your own bank, and make sure that you continue to do your research. Another great tweet here by Dylan is that 25,000 Bitcoin have been withdrawn from Gemini over the last 24 hours. That's 13% of the Bitcoin on their platform. So I'm happy to see that everybody is withdrawing. Not only that, I think it was 1.5 billion to be exact, were withdrawn from exchanges. Yep, 1.5 billion were withdrawn from exchanges in just 1 week. So make sure you guys continue to withdraw from exchanges, okay? So with that being said, this is Bitcoin Chris checking in with the Bitcoin price. Make sure you stack away. Make sure you get $10 free Bitcoin using my link at swanbitcoin.com/Bitcoin Chris. The link is below in the description. And if you have any questions, need help, send me a DM. Make sure you follow me on Twitter. See you next time. Peace.